Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add apps in Wix using Wix apps. If you want to expand what your Wix website can do, adding apps is one of the easiest ways to improve your website without spending hours creating new features manually. Wix apps can help you add features like contact forms, bookings, chat tools, stores, galleries, and much more, all without needing to build anything from scratch. These apps are especially useful because they allow you to turn a basic website into a more powerful platform. For example, you can add an online booking system for appointments, a live chat feature to communicate with visitors, or an online store to sell products directly from your website. The good news is that the process is very simple, and once you know where to look, you can install an app in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your site dashboard in Wix. This is the main control area for your website, where you manage settings, content, design, and features. Your Wix dashboard is basically the control center of your entire website. From here, you can update pages, manage visitors, change settings, and add new tools that improve how your website works. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu gives you access to the different sections of your site management tools. In that left sidebar, click on Apps. This section is where Wix organizes the tools and features you can add to your website. The Apps section is where you can discover new ways to improve your website, whether you need marketing tools, business features, communication options, or design enhancements. This is the place to find them. After opening it, click on App Market. The App Market is the library where Wix lists available apps you can browse and install. Think of it as the place where you shop for extra functionality for your site. Just like an app store on your phone, the Wix App Market allows you to explore different tools and choose the ones that match your website goals. Some apps are free, while others may offer premium features, depending on what you need. Once you're in the App Market, you can search for an app you want to add. If you already know the name of the app or the kind of feature you need, use the search bar to find it faster. For example, if you want to add email marketing tools, you can search for marketing apps. If you want to collect customer information, you can search for forms or contact-related apps. If you're not completely sure which app you need, you can also take a moment to look through the available options and choose the one that best matches your goal. A good idea is to check the app description, features, and reviews before installing. This helps you understand whether the app is the right choice for your website and whether it provides the functionality you're looking for. After you find the app you want, click on it to open its details. This is a useful step because it lets you review what the app does before installing it. You can usually get a better sense of whether it fits your website and what kind of function it will add. For example, if you're adding a booking app, you can check whether it supports your type of service, calendar options, and customer management features before adding it. When you're ready, click Add to Site. Wix will then install the app to your website. And that's it! The app is now added to your site. After installation, Wix may guide you through some setup steps depending on the app. Some apps may require you to add information, connect accounts, customize settings, or choose how the feature appears on your website. At this point, depending on the app, you may want to explore its settings later so you can customize how it works on your website. For example, you can change colors, adjust display settings, update notifications, or modify how visitors interact with the feature. But the actual process of adding the app is that simple. Go to your site dashboard, open Apps, enter the App Market, search for the app, select it, and add it to your site. That's all you need to do to add apps in Wix using Wix apps. By using Wix apps effectively, you can continue improving your website over time and add new features as your business or website needs grow. So, explore the app market, find the tools that are useful for you, and make your Wix website more powerful.